today's video I'm going to be featuring some hair from a company called Sowig. So let me just start off by saying that I personally feel like I don't need a 360 wig. Like, it's not something for me. I don't know. I'm still kind of like seeing how I feel about it. I mean, it kind of does look natural. It kind of looks wiggy to me, but I just want to like come on camera and like show you guys how it looks. Wigs. This is a full 360 wig lace frontal that I got from them. This hair is 100% human. So this hair that I got is actually a 20-inch wig, and I'll show you guys. I'll insert like clips of how the hair looked before I threw it up in this little bun. I was just kind of like fooling around and playing around with it. This is a 130% natural hair wave wig. But yeah, like I said before, it is 20-inch. Quality of the hair overall is not too bad. I did wet the hair just to see how it looked wet, because when I first took out the package, even though it said it was like a natural wave, I didn't like the curls on how it was looking, because I felt like the tops looked really thick and then the bottom looked really thin. So I kind of wet it just to see if that was like its true natural look. When I did wet it and blow dried it, you can more see like the fullness to the wig. When I did wet it as well, it did have like a nice wavy, like a water wave type of look. When I was blow drying it, it was like super easy to blow dry as well. I did have like minimum shedding, which is natural because like it's human hair. But yeah, this is how it looks on me. It's not fully customized yet because, as I say in my videos, my wig videos, I am no professional when it comes to this. I literally just like, you know, does my thing. But my friend, she usually does my wigs for me, but she's just like super busy with work, and you know, so I'm just like, oh, let me just try a ting. Let me try a ting. So that is what I basically did. This is how the wig looks on me. I'm pretty sure it'll probably look better on like other people. And then my hair underneath is like, it's braided in two. I feel like if my hair was braided smaller, it would sit like even more down on my head. But overall, I mean, it's not a bad wig. Even for the price, like the price for this wig is not bad at all. I mean, it does give me like a natural look, as if like if I was to blow dry out my natural hair, it kind of does give me like the natural look. And it does have like the little baby hair that kind of like goes it goes fully around the baby hair. I just kind of like tuck them away, but I mean, like, it's like a cute messy type of look, and you know, you can like dress it up, dress it down. I mean, like, if I really wanted to, I can just like throw a bandana or something over it, you know, like if I'm feeling kind of like thuggy, kind of just like throw a little bandana on it. You know, like, it's just something fun for me. Like I say, when I'm wearing these wigs and stuff like that, like, don't take me too serious. Like, this is just me having fun, trying new things, and just stepping out of my comfort zone, you know, because I do have natural curly hair, and like a lot of people always tell me, you do not need wigs, blah blah blah. But like, I get bored, and having curly hair is a lot. A lot of people think it's just like, oh, you just wet your hair and like you're good, but having curly hair is a lot of work. So wigs to me is just like an easy go-to. It's super fun, it's different, it switches up your look a little. So that's the reason why I wear them, because for some reason every time I upload a video, someone's always commenting in the comments saying, you don't need wigs, like you have naturally pretty hair and all that stuff. But just putting it out there, like, that's the reason why I like and I enjoy these wigs. Okay, if you guys are interested in this wig, you can definitely check out the description box down below, and I'll leave the direct link to this wig, as well as some discount codes, some coupon codes. You guys can check it out if you're interested. The shipping with this hair was quick. I got it within, I want to say 3 days. The shipping was really quick. The packaging is super cute. I've never received a wig that came in like a super cute package like that, and I like it like that, and the package that it came, because it's just easy to store away. It's easy for you to like just put it away than the regular boxes that just get mashed up over time. So the packaging was super cute, and very different. I like that. And I feel like if I really knew how to work with this hair, there's definitely a lot of styles that you can do. I mean, you can do like half up, half down. You can straighten it. You can do like a wet wavy look. You can do like a messy type of look. And again, like, this is just something, like, this would be a go-to for me if I'm literally going on the road, or like doing a quick run and I just need to like throw something on. Because it literally if I was to show you guys my hair underneath, like, my hair is in 2 cornrows right now, and I have not combed my hair in a good like 4 days. Like those braids, the braids are just like not even cute. So I mean, this is a quick like go-to hairstyle for me. I ain't even mad. It definitely doesn't look like something Nisha would wear, but I'm really trying to step out of my comfort zone. Everyone that knows me knows I'm very like all natural, whatever, but I'm really trying to like have fun and just step out of my comfort zone. And I mean, you guys can always leave your thoughts down below. I don't get offended easily. I'm open to criticism, so you can leave your comments down below. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces!